Now see here, an electric heater supplies heat to a system at the rate of 100 watt. It means energy supplied at the rate of 100 watt. So, we can write heat energy supplied, that is delta Q is equal to 100 watt, that is 100 joule per second. Now, if system performs work at a rate of 75 joule per second, so work done by system is, here we can write 75 joule per second. Now, at what rate is the internal energy increasing? Just use first law of thermodynamics. We can write here delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. So, we can write delta U is equal to delta Q minus delta W, and it is here 100 minus 75 is equal to 25 joule per second. So, this is very simple question directly based on the first law of thermodynamics.